Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a project and enabling the APIs your app needs. This avoids permission roadblocks. Once done, navigate to the Credentials section and choose Create Credentials, then Oauth Client ID. Make sure you've set an Oauth consent screen first. The console will prompt you if not. You're now in the client creation flow where you pick application type and supply identifiers. These choices determine redirect behavior and token handling, so choose carefully. Now you configure the client. Pick the application type that matches your architecture because it changes the redirect and secret model. For web apps, add exact authorized redirect URIs and JavaScript origins. Mismatches cause auth to fail. For mobile or desktop, follow platform-specific instructions for package names or bundle ID. Set the consent screen details and requested scopes. Fewer scopes simplify approval and improve user trust. Once completed, generate the credentials to receive client ID. After creation, you'll immediately see the client ID, and for confidential clients, a client secret. Download the JSON and store it securely. Integrate those values into your app configuration and run a full OAuth flow test. Request authorization, handle the redirect, exchange code for tokens, and refresh tokens as needed. If you encounter issues, check redirect URIs and consent scopes first. A common fix is correcting an exact URI mismatch or republishing consent screen settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.